Imagine a world where algorithms are your boss. This isn't a glimpse into a distant future. It's the reality on platforms like Uber. In today's video, we're unpacking a fascinating study that reveals the impact of algorithmic management on workers. Understanding these insights can help you to navigate the challenges and opportunities in the evolving landscape of digital labor and algorithmic management. First, we will give you some details about the study. Then we break down the 5 best ideas from the paper. And if you stick to the end, we will give you a list of practical lessons in simple, non-scientific language that you can immediately apply in your business. Today, we are taking a closer look at the paper Algorithmic Management of Work on Online Labor Platforms. When Matching Meets Control by Möhlmann and colleagues, published in Management Information Systems Quarterly in 2021. The study explores the dual use of algorithms by online labor platforms for both matching and control purposes. The study focuses on Uber and how the company's algorithmic management influences the work of its drivers. Methodologically, the research employs a qualitative study design with a single case approach, specifically examining Uber as an extreme case. Data was collected in 3 waves using multiple qualitative sources, including observations, written dialogue, and interviews. The researchers engaged in observations and discussions with drivers during Uber rides, which helped identify several tensions experienced by drivers. Let's look at the 5 best ideas from the paper. Idea 1. The dual role of algorithms, matching and control. Algorithms play a pivotal role on platforms like Uber, going beyond just connecting drivers with riders. They are the unseen managers, orchestrating work execution with precision. For instance, Uber's algorithm determines ride assignments, routes, and even prices, effectively controlling every aspect of the job. This duality presents an interesting dynamic where drivers experience the freedom of gig work, yet are tightly governed by a digital overseer. It's a blend of market freedom and organizational constraint, reshaping traditional employment boundaries. For businesses, this dual role of algorithms offers a model for balancing efficiency and worker autonomy. The algorithms do not only connect drivers and riders, matching, but also enforce rules and standards, control. One Uber executive explained, "We see drivers as our customers, and while we do use algorithms to manage drivers, there are many limitations." This shows the delicate balance these platforms maintain between enabling market-like freedom and exerting organizational control. Idea 2. Tensions in work execution. Uber drivers navigate a complex world of autonomy and control. This is articulated by a driver's statement. "Everything is controlled by Uber, and when a customer gets into your car, your responsibility is to drop him to his or her destination, and that's it." This highlights the conflict in platform work, where drivers enjoy some freedom but are still closely guided by algorithms. On one hand, Uber drivers have the flexibility to choose their working hours. On the other, they must adhere to strict algorithmic guidance. This tension is exemplified by the algorithm's routing decisions, which drivers are incentivized to follow for optimal earnings. This blend of independence and control challenges our understanding of employment, posing questions about the future of work. For businesses, understanding this tension is key to managing a workforce that is increasingly digital and autonomous. Idea 3. Compensation, uncertainty. Unpredictability is a hallmark of platform work, as seen with Uber drivers. Their income fluctuates based on factors like surge pricing and trip frequency, controlled by the algorithm. This variability can lead to stress and dissatisfaction among workers. as their financial stability is directly tied to the whims of an algorithm. A driver expressed, "We're going to Chelsea Bridge now, right?" And if it was Uber Pool, somebody could cancel. But by the time they cancel, you've already made this left. So, it's a lot of headaches in the city. This unpredictability is a defining feature of such work, challenging the stability of traditional jobs. Businesses looking to implement similar models must consider ways to mitigate this uncertainty, perhaps by offering minimum earnings guarantees or more transparent compensation structures. Idea 4. Sense of belonging and identity. Platform workers often grapple with their identity and sense of belonging. A driver's words, "It seems to me that Uber is behaving like an employer by dictating which jobs drivers should take," reflect the identity crisis among drivers. Are they independent contractors or employees? This ambiguity impacts engagement and job satisfaction. Are these workers part of the organization or mere cogs in a digital machine? This identity crisis affects their engagement and satisfaction. For businesses, acknowledging and addressing these concerns is crucial. Creating a sense of community and valuing worker contributions can help bridge this gap, leading to a more committed and productive workforce. Idea 5. Market-like versus organization-like responses. Drivers display diverse responses to the tensions of platform work. Some adopt entrepreneurial strategies, like platform switching, while others seek solidarity, akin to traditional employee behaviors. These responses offer insights into worker adaptation in the face of digital management. One driver mentioned, "I jump in and out of the app as I please." This entrepreneurial approach contrasts with collective actions, showing a diverse range of responses to algorithmic management. For businesses, understanding these behaviors can inform strategies for worker engagement and retention in a digital marketplace. If you are working in the digital economy, you can glean several key lessons from this study. 1. Balancing autonomy and control. Understand the dual role of algorithms in matching and controlling work, and balance these aspects to maximize efficiency while respecting worker autonomy. 2. Navigating work tensions. Be aware of the tensions between worker independence and algorithmic supervision. Finding a middle ground is key to maintaining a motivated workforce. 3. Mitigating compensation. Uncertainty. Recognize the challenges of income unpredictability in gig work and explore ways to provide more stable compensation models. 4. Fostering a sense of belonging. Address the identity and belonging issues among platform workers by creating a sense of community and valuing their contributions. 5. Understanding diverse worker responses. Anticipate and understand the range of worker responses to algorithmic management, from entrepreneurial tactics to collective actions. These takeaways emphasize the importance of human-centric approaches in the increasingly algorithm-driven world of work. Managers who can skillfully integrate technology with a deep understanding of human needs and behaviors will be the ones leading the way in the evolving landscape of the gig economy.